Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love and positive response you have been giving to my channel and my past videos. And for those who are new to my channel, I make regular videos on early childhood education and parenting. And in this video, I'm specifically going to talk about my first day of preschooling, a young toddler, and the first day it's going to be a lot of fun. I have designed specific age appropriate activities for my little one. So today's theme is brown bear, brown bear. I'll just take the camera a little closer. So this is Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle's Brown Bear, Brown Bear. For those who don't know, I must tell you that this is a great book for early childhood language skills, and it builds vocabulary. The illustrations are super cute, and it teaches us about the various colors and names of the animals. So I'm going to start this fun day with this fun book, and most of the themes, most of the activities are themed around this particular book, and we are going to read this book to start our day with. So just to make this place a little colorful and vibrant and make it look in sync with the activity, I have placed a brown bear on this table. Here is a hand puppet. I'll use a lot of hand puppets to demonstrate my little one. And hand puppets, are really good teaching resources for young toddlers. So let's see what all we have in this shelf today. So the shelf idea is basically to make the child independent learner, to help him develop his decision-making skills and pick his own activity as per his own choice. So the first activity that I have designed is, so after reading this book, I'll use a lot of flashcards. These are flashcards that I have created myself. Just taken the printouts and laminated them. So for the first activity, I've got this printout with all the characters of this book, and they have to just match the flashcards, the picture cards, with the corresponding pictures. It looks easy for us, but for a young toddler, it's definitely a learning experience, and we do not expect perfection at the first go. It will come with practice, but it's a fun way. Kids love things which are more physical, more 3D in nature. So instead of just reading a book, I like to create fun activities around them so that the book, the reading experience becomes a lot more vibrant. The learning comes alive basically. So that's how we are going to do our first activity. For those who want to create this at home, it's a very simple process. I just collated these pictures using the pictures available on the net. These are the same pictures that you see in the book. You can easily create it yourself. If you want to buy it, purchase it from me, you can actually go to the description box below and check out the details, or just WhatsApp on this number. So it's an Appy Mommy product that I'm using here. For those who are regular on my channel, they know that I keep making these learning resources so that learning comes alive with small toddlers of the age of 2, 3, 4 or 5 and even 6 years old. Let's go to the next activity. This is called Feed the Bear activity. Let's get a closer look of this. So Feed the Bear, for Feed the Bear, I have just taken a cardboard, or you can take a wooden or a cardboard box, and I have drawn a bear and got a small hole to make it look like a bear image, a bear figurine. And I'm using bottle caps here. You can use pom-poms or anything that you like, and we'll put these inside the mouth, and the child feels absolutely delighted to do this kind of activity, because this kind of activity is very good for their fine motor skills, and this is a lot of early physics for a young toddler. So I definitely recommend this kind of activity. You can easily create it at home. Going to the next one. This is a fun coloring activity because at this age, it's great to explore their creative skills, their creative expressions, and they express a lot through colors because their language skills are not too developed. So they do a lot of messy play, and it really gives them wings. So I have taken this brown bear, mommy bear and baby bear picture, and just to make it a little more cohesive, a little more structured and organized, I'm using this tray where I've kept my brown color. I'll put some water in it. I'm using these sponge brushes just to dab the brown color on the bear. It's easier for them to handle, and they love to see the final outcome when they see it's their own creation. Once they finish coloring, then we'll also add some googly eyes. We'll paste them on the picture, and it feels like, kids love things which are physical in nature, which are 3D in nature. So we do a lot of these things at our center. Let's go to the next one. This is the yellow duck bag. This is one of my favorites. So this is just a yellow duck. Just to reinforce all their reading stuff, I have, kept things which are related to the same colors, the same animals described in the picture. So here I'm using this yellow duck bag. It's a treasure hunt activity. It's nothing, just some surprise elements, some surprise props put in this bag. Let me just take the camera a little closer. And they'll put their little hands inside and get their surprise elements out. So there's this cat. Pig, oink oink. Moo moo, cow. So this just fosters their creativity and their verbal expression, as well as adds to their vocabulary and diction. Woof woof, a dog. Ooh, a tree. So while pulling each object out, you can talk about it, make the child interpret it in their own baby language. It teaches a lot of other things as well. It builds curiosity, helps in developing their problem-solving skills. And sorting sort of exercises are always good for pre-math and developing their logical reasoning. Let's go to the other activity. This one is again a colorful one. Since Brown Bear book is all about colors, I thought of doing this very simple, easy color sorting activity. They just have to take the manipulative and put it in the corresponding color. So it's a color matching activity, very good to develop their pre-math skills and logical reasoning and problem solving skills. Also good for their fine motor skills. And of course, they get to learn about the colors. So it's a very good color recognition activity for young toddlers and preschoolers. Please try these things at home. Going to this one. So this is a very simple activity since they do not know how to write. Just to make them used to the idea of writing, you can just take something like this. You can create this at home. If you want this specific printout, do write to me at helloappymommy@gmail.com. The ones that are available in the Brown Bear kit that I have curated will be provided to you at a very discounted price. So for this one, I have taken this printout and laminated it. I'll use markers. It's not a great idea to introduce pencils or pens to kids at a very early age, because initially they tend to struggle with using pencils or pens or colors, etc. So just to make the process more fun, you can use these dry erase markers to help them understand the concept of building straight standing lines. So again, oops, I need to learn this too. There are other activities as well which are not part of the brown bear theme. Like this is a sensory activity wherein the child needs to bathe all his toys and clean them using these brushes and the mug, and we'll pour some water in this. So kids love to play with water. So let's see how our child does his first day's activity at Appy Mommy Playgroup and Learning Center. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. If you liked it, please do share a like, and if you loved it, please do subscribe to my channel if not done already. And if you have more ideas around brown bear theme, just do write to me in the comment section below. And see you till next time. Bye bye.